This is what it feels like. I just made my first sale. Sold the first course with Young Gun Studio. I was looking forward to this day for the last year and a half. And I didn't know if it would come, to be honest. I had no idea if people would care, if people would want to buy the courses. And it just seemed like this impossible uphill battle. And I did my best to stay patient with it. We launched the course a month ago, and I steeled myself for not selling anything. And really for a while, I wasn't looking at that part of the statistics because I knew that it takes a long time for us to build a community, to build trust, your trust in me as an educator. Because I may be someone who's been teaching for so many years in person, but to the internet, I'm nobody. I am just this face. And so I am extremely grateful to, I can't name names for privacy reasons, to the first person learner that purchased our course. And it's just been such a journey. It's been such an immensely difficult but rewarding journey. I've grown so much as a person. I don't even think it's just as an entrepreneur, but as a person. To be at 37 years old and to decide, hey, there are only a couple more moves. You know, I started my business at 22. When I'm 37, I decided whatever I start next, it's going to be something that's going to take me at least 5 to 10 years. Because anything I do, I want to do it for the long run. And it requires team, it requires thousands of hours. And I've just learned so many things, just continuously trying things out, adapting and reacting. And let me show you my garage a little bit. So this is my garage. This is my workspace. So over here, I asked my dad to write me these Chinese characters. And these are words. Say this one says 凡事盼望,凡事忍耐. With everything, you're supposed to be optimistic. You're supposed to look forward to tomorrow. And then the second part is to make sure you have patience, right? That this is not something that you build in overnight. It's like instant success. So this is where I will work, not all the time, but where I need quiet, alone time. This is awesome. The only way out is through. And in speaking to that, I remember back in university, I had in fourth year a thesis project. So it's the biggest project to date. You have to do all this research, stakeholder research, talk to real people, come up with an idea, bring together a solution, propose it. So it's this very long process. And after my first gate, they called it gates at OCAD University. That's where I graduated from in Toronto. After the first gate, my mark was 56%. And I remember putting a sticky up there on my wall, on this white wall, nothing but that sticky. And it says 52 or 56 or something like that. And that became my focus, right? That I knew, that's the first gate. And every time I had a new mark, I knew that I wanted to make it better. It became a metric of success, telling me that even though I didn't receive a great mark, I had failed in many ways, but that was an opportunity for me to grow. So that's all that I want to share with you guys today. We made our first dollar, and it's literally like when I was 22 again, when I first made my first paycheck as a teacher, and now this first paycheck as a teacher, but as an online instructor. This is an incredible day. This is only the beginning though. We have this other course that is a free course, and I can already see that we currently have 82 learners. And it's this notion of I put something together and I can benefit people from all over the world. That's why I'm doing this. I want to be able to help more people, to spread the love of creativity, the power of art and design, and this idea that if you put your mind to it, you can manifest. You can literally manifest anything that you want. Don't let what others tell you is their limitations, their ceilings. Don't let them limit your dreams. If you have patience, you can manifest it. You work towards it, you have focus, you can manifest it. You have a path, you can manifest it. You prioritize, you can manifest it. Okay, let's go. I hope I give you some good vibes today. Much love, be kind, be optimistic, be honest to yourself. Love you all. Shouh out.